Are you tired of scrubbing away dirt and grime from your outdoor surfaces? Introducing the ultimate solution to your cleaning woes, the electric pressure washer. In this video, we'll dive into the world of high-powered cleaning and showcase the top 5 electric pressure washers that will revolutionize the way you tackle your outdoor projects. From stubborn stains on your patio to caked-on mud on your car, these pressure washers pack a punch to deliver unmatched cleaning performance. We'll explore their unique features, such as adjustable pressure settings, versatile nozzles, and compact designs that make them a breeze to use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional cleaner, these electric pressure washers offer convenience, power, and eco-friendliness, as they require no gas or oil. Get ready to witness their incredible cleaning power as we count down the 5 best electric pressure washers available in the market today. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed as we reveal the game changers that will make your cleaning tasks a walk in the park. Versatile nozzles and eco-friendly designs. They're perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Get ready to witness their incredible cleaning power as we count down the best electric pressure washers on the market. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional cleaner, these electric pressure washers offer convenience, power, and eco-friendliness, as they require no gas or oil. Get ready.
Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture, and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance,
meet the all-new the Maxx 3000. This powerful electric pressure washer is built to last, with an induction motor creating up to 3,000 PSI. This is a great tool for washing your car or keeping decks and fences looking like new, and strong enough to clean your driveway. Hook up a regular garden hose to the all-metal garden hose adapter. Attach the super soft high-pressure hose to the easy-to-squeeze gun with M22 connection. Turn the switch and pull the trigger. It's that easy. The quiet AR Blue Clean Maxx 3000 was designed to maximize variety for a professional user. Onboard storage keeps the accessories close. The Quick Connect nozzles can be switched out in seconds. Use the included Quick Connect foam cannon to blanket your car in suds, and swap in the turbo nozzle for top pressure over a large area. You can easily upgrade your power washers to make your jobs even easier, and an extension lance helps you reach further. A foamer will apply soap quickly and easily for a faster cleaning experience, or snap on a surface cleaner perfect for wide, flat spaces. Featuring a thermal relief valve to keep the pump operating in a safe temperature range to prevent overheating. When the system is in bypass mode, the thermal relief valve opens to release hot water. The AR Blue Clean Maxx 3000 is top quality. We mean it. We offer a 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Our customer service team in Minnesota is available to help with any questions. Maxx 3000 is powerful, quiet,